So in a cooking zone, refrigerated product is a no-no just because of all the heat. If I have refrigeration and it brings it up 5 to 10 degrees, those doors on a prep line are fine because you don't have the heat. But if I'm open refrigeration on my cooking zone, every time I may lose 10 degrees. So if I come in there during a shift, my food is probably set in a temperature danger zone for hours. In the back of the house, you have to put a major focus on spacing. And spacing, here's why. I've been in many kitchens throughout traveling, and you will actually see where you have water lines, you have electrical, you have gas, you have propane, you have all this stuff on one wall. You have to be safe to create areas. We cannot put refrigeration against a fryer. We don't want a plug that's by an oven that could potentially melt that cord. So watch your zones, watch and be sure you're having proper spacing between hot and cold zones. Ventilation inside a cooking zone. Look guys, ventilation, there really can't be much more important. Every bit of your smoke or grease-laden vapors needs to get out of that kitchen. So we need the best as far as ventilation. What we do not want is air escaping into the front of the house. So if there was a burnt pan, if something happened, we need that ventilation system to pull all the air out. Now, also though, think about this. Ventilation is we all know it's very expensive. So we look for ways to tighten the kitchen without making it too tight to where we actually get hot and cold things together. For me, the single most important thing in a cooking zone is spacing and timing, and time and motion. When I walk into a kitchen, these are the things that I hope I can show you and that you will be able to see. When I watch one employee work, here's what I'm looking for in a kitchen. I'm looking for his zone. So in his total job, if he has to go here, I need to know if he has to go here. If he has to take 5 steps this way in a process of making a sandwich, then he's gone out of his zone. We try to keep each employee in their zone, creating less movement, dangerous walking around the kitchen. These kinds of things to me are the single most important.